Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Q the Chaotic here, and I'm back with another video. And today I'm going to do a brief overview of my 2020 SS Camaro 1LE. I bought the car about December 30th. Today is January 16th, so it's been about half a month, and I haven't shot a video of me actually driving the car. Everything's been pretty much stationary. So today I'm going to give you a little inside peek at how I'm enjoying the car so far. And I actually got to get a car wash today. This is Michigan, crappy weather. You can see, maybe it shows up on the windshield. It's trying to snow right now. And in a perfect world, I would have waited for a perfect sunny day to do this, but it doesn't seem like it's going to get any better anytime soon. It's actually going to snow this weekend. So I'm going to go ahead and get this out the way. If you like what you're seeing, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, comment, or let's hop into the video. As you can see right here, the car isn't even broken in fully yet. There's only 443 miles on the car. And honestly, I still haven't even taken this plastic off. Like, I just hop in the car and drive. So I'm always on the go. So let me start the car up so we can hear the engine. So to do that, you gotta press your feet on the brake and the clutch to start the car. And the push start button is over here to the side. And I need gas. Flat bottom steering wheel, that's a nice touch as well. The Alcantara feels really good in my hands. And especially this, the shift knob, when it's cold outside, it takes a little bit of the chill off. And these seats, they feel really nice too. Recurl seats, and they also have the Alcantara inserts with the leather outside of it. And the back seats are just plain leather. I'm not sure if you all know, but you can actually change where things go. Let me move Android Auto to the next page since I probably won't use it ever. Something else I won't use, I'll put my Chevy on the first page. Oh crap, Sirius XM, still haven't used that either. Put that there. Boom, PDR. Alright, so the car is now in tour mode. And you can change that by this button here. I normally drive in sport mode, because sport mode, when you turn the car off and back on again, it'll stay in there. If you put it in track mode, it actually goes back to touring mode once the car is turned off and turned back on again. And I got to use snow and ice mode, but it closes the exhaust and it kills the throttle response. Something this car also has is the rev match. So both of the paddle shifters, they're rev matching. So if you click it, it'll turn rev match on. If you press it again, either side, it'll do rev match on and off. I normally drive with it off just because I don't want to get too used to it. I did the same thing in my Mustang. I want to be able to downshift and rev match on my own, just because I know I'm going to come across another car that does that, and I don't want to be too used to it to where I actually mess the car up. So let me take off the parking brake and let's go for a little spin. So another feature I love on this car is Apple CarPlay. I think it comes on every Camaro. So to use CarPlay, I just hook up and then I wait on the screen, and Apple's interface should show on the screen. Actually, I'll press CarPlay. There we have it. Got my Spotify. Can pull up maps if I want to. And anything that's on my iPhone, it shows up here. I can look at my messages and everything else like that. It's just like the iPhone's interface. One of the coolest things about the Camaro is the temperature gauge. You can open and close the vents by rearranging this knob here. You can see the vents open and close. Maybe you can, maybe you can't. But this knob, it also adjusts the temperature. So if I turn the knob to the right, temperature gets hotter. To the left, it gets colder. And for this right vent, it also adjusts the fan. So if I turn it up, you can see the fan speed adjust. You can also turn it down. Pulling up at this BP Touchless Wash. Never been to one of these before, but I need the car washed. I haven't gotten it washed ever since I bought it. It's one thing about the car, it's kind of hard to judge where I am exactly. Alright, let's see. Alright, take 2 because I need it changed. One of the things I do like about this Camaro SS is that while you're driving, you can see the heads-up display on the windshield. It tells me my speed, what gear I'm in. Alright, now comes the best part of the car, is the actual driving part. So today the sun actually came out, so I'm glad about that. I'm about to take it on the freeway, but I'm not going to drive it too hard just because I'm still not broken in yet. I need 22 miles and I'll be at 500 miles. The best part about this car is that exhaust. And believe it or not, I actually want it to be louder. Listen again. Backfires and this car sound amazing. So it's in track mode right now. The steering in here is so tight, there's like absolutely no body roll. This is a curve coming up on to see how this handles on the curve. There's a bunch of traffic out here, so I can't really make any crazy maneuvers. And the owner's manual says don't take the car over 80 before it's broken in, so I'll stay under 80. Even in fifth gear, I get those backfires. It sounds so good to me. It handles these curves like it's nothing at all. Like the car feels so planted. Like I feel like I have all the control. And this is on winter tires too. These tires are only 8 inches wide. Let me put the auto rev match on. Go down to 4th. See what the get up is like in 4th. That's about it, coming into another construction zone. Let me slow it down. Yeah, this car, it just has such good get up to it. That's what you expect from this engine though. It has 455 horsepower and the torque to match that. And it has even better braking power too. So you see those giant rotors that I have on there. Yeah, this is Michigan right here. Construction, all times of the year, always, even after they just fix something. But this is the I-75. It's going to be really nice when they finish it. Oh, crap. Not used to the auto rev match. Let me turn it off. Scared myself right there. All right, YouTube, that's going to wrap this one up. And let me know what you guys think about my Chevy Camaro. Did I make a mistake by trading the Mustang in? I don't think so. I'm actually happy that I did do it. But please let me know what you guys think in the comments. And please like, subscribe. And just, if you have any more questions about the car, just feel free to comment about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.